Have you ever noticed your legs feeling weaker when you wake up in the morning? You haven't fallen, you haven't injured yourself, yet every day they feel a little more tired, a little less powerful. The truth is, after the age of 60, leg strength can quietly decrease by as much as 3% each year, even without any obvious cause. And shockingly, 99% of seniors have no idea why this happens. But here's the surprising part. New research shows that simply eating the right foods can begin to restore your leg strength in as little as 12 hours. Yes, real improvements in real seniors in half a day. The key lies in choosing foods that do three essential things: energize your muscle fibers, improve blood flow to your legs, and reduce the inflammation that often slows you down. In this video, you're about to discover 8 powerful foods, backed by science, that can start rebuilding your leg power almost immediately. Each food has been tested and proven, and we'll count them down from the least to the most effective. Number 3 in particular may shock you. It's stronger than most medications, and yet almost no one includes it in their daily diet. Despite studies showing it increased lower body strength by over 36% in just one day. This isn't guesswork. Every detail you're about to hear is grounded in published science, and we've included the links to every study in the video description. These are real facts that could change your life or the life of someone you love. Before we begin, take a second to comment below and tell us where you're watching from, and we love hearing from you. Your input helps shape these videos. Now let's dive in. Let's start with the 8th food. While it's not the strongest on the list, it's a simple and effective first step: pumpkin seeds. Most people don't think of seeds as something that could rebuild muscle, but pumpkin seeds are surprisingly rich in magnesium, a critical mineral for both muscle contraction and relaxation. Without enough magnesium, muscles cramp, fatigue easily, and fail to respond correctly to nerve signals, leading to stiffness, weakness, and even difficulty walking. In fact, seniors with low magnesium levels were found to have almost twice as much leg fatigue during walking tests as those with higher magnesium, according to research published in Magnesium Research. And pumpkin seeds don't stop there. They also contain zinc and healthy fats that help regulate hormones and control inflammation, both of which are vital for maintaining strength as you age. It doesn't take much. Just 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds provide enough magnesium to begin muscle recovery within hours. For better absorption, soak the seeds overnight to remove phytic acid and unlock the minerals. You can eat them raw, sprinkle them over oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie, but avoid adding salt. These small seeds are powerful, relieving muscle tension and replenishing vital nutrients faster than most people expect. Next, the 7th food, tart cherry juice. It might sound like just another trendy health drink, but this sour fruit extract has proven muscle rebuilding benefits, especially for older adults. Tart cherry juice is packed with anthocyanins, plant compounds that fight inflammation, boost circulation, and help muscles recover more quickly after activity. These compounds also help flush out lactic acid, the substance that builds up in your muscles when you move and later causes soreness and stiffness. In a placebo-controlled study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports, seniors who drank 2 servings of tart cherry juice daily reported 23% less muscle soreness and significantly stronger quadriceps after walking and stair climbing. The real magic of tart cherry juice is its speed. Within 8 to 12 hours, many older adults notice reduced stiffness and better movement. And it's far more potent than eating raw cherries because the juice is concentrated. Just a small glass contains the anti-inflammatory power of hundreds of cherries. But not all cherry juice is equal. Look for unsweetened 100% tart cherry juice, not cocktails or blends. Drink 6 to 8 ounces after physical activity or in the evening. If the taste is too strong, dilute it with water. This one simple change can help you stand, walk, and climb stairs more easily the very next day. Tart cherry juice isn't just a refreshing drink, it's a rapid recovery tool for aching legs. Now food number 6, cooked spinach. Spinach may seem like just another leafy green, but it's actually a muscle rebuilding powerhouse, especially for aging legs. While spinach is known for its iron and calcium, its real strength lies in its nitrates, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are crucial for oxygen delivery, muscle contraction, and nerve muscle coordination. Here's the key. Cooking spinach breaks down oxalates that block mineral absorption, allowing your body to absorb more of the good stuff, right where it's needed. In a study published in Frontiers in Physiology, older adults who ate nitrate-rich foods like spinach improved their leg performance by up to 16%. And another study in the Journal of Nutrition found that just one serving of cooked spinach improved walking speed and endurance in seniors over 65 within 12 hours. That's because nitrates in spinach are converted by your body into nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and boosts blood flow to the legs. More oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, which speeds recovery, improves balance, and reduces fatigue. To get the most benefits, cook fresh spinach with a bit of olive oil, lemon juice, or garlic. Avoid overboiling, which destroys nutrients. Light steaming or sautéing is best. Add it to soups, eggs, or serve as a warm side dish. Consistency matters. 1 cup of cooked spinach with lunch or dinner can help your leg muscles feel stronger and less stiff by the next day. Let's move to food number 5, lentils. They may not look like much, but lentils provide something unique for rebuilding senior leg strength. They're a small seed packed with slow-digesting carbohydrates, plant protein, and essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron, all of which your legs need to stay strong. Lentils release energy slowly, fueling your muscles for hours and preventing fatigue while standing. Study published in the Journal of Gerontology, seniors who ate lentils daily for just 2 weeks improved their leg endurance by 22% compared to those eating refined carbs. They also had better balance, less pain, and quicker muscle responses. But the benefits go even deeper. Lentils are rich in leucine, an amino acid that triggers muscle repair, and they help stabilize blood sugar, preventing post-meal weakness or shakiness. Their prebiotic fiber also supports gut health, which plays a key role in reducing inflammation and absorbing nutrients. For the best results, cook dry lentils with anti-inflammatory ingredients like turmeric, garlic, or lemon juice. Avoid canned varieties with added salt or preservatives. You can mash them, add them to soups, or pair them with cooked veggies. 1 cup at lunch or dinner helps recharge your leg muscles overnight, giving you more strength and stability by morning. Now, food number 4, salmon. While it's often praised for heart health, salmon is one of the best foods for restoring leg strength in seniors. What makes it so powerful is its combination of vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and high-quality protein, all of which have a direct impact on muscle function and repair. Your leg muscles need protein to rebuild, but they also need healthy fats to reduce inflammation and vitamin D to absorb calcium and contract properly. Salmon delivers all three. In a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors who ate salmon 3 times a week improved their leg strength and mobility by 24% in just 10 days, especially in muscles around the knees and thighs. This improvement was linked to reduced muscle inflammation and increased protein synthesis after meals. Another study found that seniors taking omega-3 supplements alone improved their walking distance and reduced leg fatigue. The omega-3s in salmon, EPA and DHA, go directly into muscle cells, reducing stiffness and speeding healing. Meanwhile, vitamin D helps control muscle contractions, and the protein repairs damaged fibers. Choose wild-caught salmon and bake, or grill it with olive oil, lemon, and herbs. Avoid sugary glazes or frying. Even a small 4-ounce serving in the evening can reduce stiffness, improve balance, and help you rise from a chair with more strength by morning. Salmon isn't just a healthy meal, it's a leg recovery strategy. Finally, let's talk about food number 3, quinoa, one of the most underrated muscle-building foods for older adults. And it's here where we'll pause. I'll continue with the remaining powerful foods, tips, and strategies once you're ready. Quinoa may look like a simple grain, but it holds a rare distinction. It's one of the few plant-based foods that contains all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle growth and repair. That makes it a complete protein, and for older adults looking to rebuild leg strength without relying solely on meat, quinoa is a powerful and often overlooked ally. But that's just the beginning. Quinoa also contains iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E, nutrients essential for reducing inflammation, improving energy production, and supporting blood flow to large leg muscles like your quadriceps and hamstrings. In a study published by the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, adults who replaced refined carbs with quinoa after just 1 day of physical activity experienced reduced soreness and increased muscle endurance. Another study from Brazil showed that seniors who had quinoa at lunch performed significantly better in walking tests the next morning compared to those who ate white bread or rice. Why? Because quinoa digests slowly, providing steady energy through the evening and into the next day. Its high magnesium content also helps prevent muscle cramps and nighttime twitching. Before cooking, rinse quinoa well to remove the bitter saponins. Then simmer in water or low-sodium broth until fluffy. Add it to breakfast bowls with eggs and spinach or serve it as a side with vegetables. One serving in the afternoon or evening delivers nutrients that energize your legs, improve balance, and increase your ability to walk, climb, and move confidently. Let's move to food number 2, beets. These vibrant vegetables are far more than just colorful additions to your plate. In fact, beets act like a natural circulation booster, and for seniors struggling with heavy, tired, or stiff legs, they can be transformative in just hours. Beets are exceptionally rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This molecule relaxes and widens your blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to flow to your leg muscles, especially where circulation tends to slow with age. Poor blood flow is one of the most common causes of leg weakness and fatigue in older adults. Beets help your muscles contract, recover, and function efficiently. In a study published in the Journal of Gerontology, seniors who drank beet juice before walking increased their walking speed and leg muscle performance by 19% in just a few hours. Another study in hypertension found that 1 daily serving of beet juice lowered blood pressure and improved arterial flexibility in people over 60, both of which help your legs feel less tired and more responsive. The effects are significant. Participants reported greater stability, reduced pain, and more energy during everyday activities like walking and stair climbing. And you don't have to eat raw beets to get the benefits. Steam them, roast them, or blend them into smoothies. For the fastest results, drink pure beetroot juice, unsweetened and undiluted. Have a small glass in the morning or 30 minutes before any activity. Your legs will feel lighter, more coordinated, and ready to move. Professional athletes use beets for a reason. For seniors, they are a natural and powerful way to feel stronger, younger, and more in control of your movement. Now, the number 1 food for rapidly restoring leg strength, bone broth. This is more than just a warm, comforting drink. Bone broth is a highly concentrated, nutrient-dense liquid packed with collagen, gelatin, amino acids, electrolytes, and anti-inflammatory compounds that heal and strengthen muscles, joints, and connective tissues. Collagen and amino acids like glycine and proline form the building blocks of muscle tissue, reduce inflammation, and improve mobility. In a study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism, adults who consume collagen-rich bone broth experienced significant improvements in leg function and flexibility within 24 hours, with a 36% increase in muscle strength over just 1 week. Another study from Japan found that glycine, a key amino acid in bone broth, boosted leg muscle regeneration and recovery speed by more than 40% in older adults after just 1 day of use. Why so fast? Because bone broth's nutrients are already in liquid form, making them easy for your body to absorb and utilize immediately. Seniors who drink bone broth after walking, exercise, or even mild activity often report feeling less stiff, more agile, and more confident on their feet within hours. For best results, use homemade broth or high-quality store-bought broth made from grass-fed beef bones or pasture-raised chicken bones. Simmer it with apple cider vinegar, garlic, and herbs for at least 12 hours to extract the most nutrients. Drink 1 warm cup in the morning on an empty stomach or after physical activity. That 1 cup delivers an immediate surge of healing nutrients to your leg muscles and joints. Bone broth is not just food, it's rapid muscle fuel for older adults seeking to regain power, stability, and comfort in their legs. Now that you know the 8 powerful foods that can start rebuilding your leg strength in just 12 hours, let's talk about 5 simple tips to make these foods work even faster and more effectively. First, start your day with beetroot or tart cherry juice on an empty stomach. These 2 drinks are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds and circulation boosters. Drinking them before breakfast increases nitric oxide in your blood, widening your vessels and delivering more oxygen to your muscles. Just 6 to 8 ounces in the morning can ease stiffness, boost energy, and make movement easier, all before lunch. Second, always pair slow carbs like quinoa or lentils with your protein meals. Your muscles need constant energy to properly use protein for repair. When you combine a slow-digesting carbohydrate with salmon, spinach, or bone broth, your body receives a steady stream of energy that supports your muscles for hours, helping you avoid fatigue during walking or standing. Third, sip warm bone broth 20 to 30 minutes after morning activity or a walk. After any movement, your muscles are primed to absorb collagen and amino acids. Drinking bone broth during this window accelerates muscle repair and reduces joint pain, especially in tight calves or sore knees. Just 1 cup can noticeably improve recovery by the afternoon. Fourth, if you suffer from leg cramps or feel heavy in the morning, start your day with soaked pumpkin seeds. Magnesium and zinc in these seeds restore proper muscle function and reduce stiffness. Just a couple of tablespoons can ease tension and make walking smoother and less painful. And finally, stay consistent. Even small daily servings of these foods, taken regularly, can transform how your legs feel and work. You don't have to wait weeks for results. With the right foods and simple adjustments, you can start feeling stronger, more stable, and more energetic by tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss future videos.